Hi guys, and welcome to a glimpse of a typical week at Pinkston Law Group, where we handle a diverse range of cases including personal injury, family law, employment, and civil rights litigation. Our team works tirelessly to serve our clients' needs. Our work week often extends beyond the standard 40 hours, with our dedicated team putting in long hours to ensure our clients receive the best possible representation. While I am in the office, my staff and I communicate virtually. They are assigned tasks for clients, potential clients, and social media. Throughout the week, we diligently handle personal injury cases, drafting letters of representation, preservation of evidence letters, reviewing medical records, gathering evidence, drafting complaints, motions, discovery, demand letters, and negotiating with insurance companies to secure fair compensation for our clients. Family law cases are a vital part of our practice. We help clients with divorce, allocation of parental rights and responsibilities or child custody, parenting time or visitation, relocation cases, establishing parentage, child support, and maintenance, to name a few, all while offering compassionate guidance during these difficult times. I spend a lot of my time researching, writing, preparing for hearings or trials if I have them, and advocating for justice and fairness. Our dedication does not stop on the weekends, and I many times work on the weekends to be prepared for the upcoming week. At Pinkston Law Group PC, we understand the importance of virtual meetings, so we see all clients virtually, providing accessible legal services while adapting to the evolving landscape. Thank you for joining us for this inside look at our week. If you need legal representation, don't hesitate to contact Pinkston Law Group PC. We're here working tirelessly to protect your rights and deliver justice.